What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna review another custom ROM Pixel Blaster 3.0 version. This ROM is available for various devices, but I have flashed this ROM in my Asus Max Pro M2. So guys, in this video I will show you what is the performance of this ROM, what is the battery backup of this ROM, and what are the customizations of this ROM. So guys, watch the video till end. If you are new on this channel, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First of all guys, you can see here the by default wallpaper. Now we will go into the about of this custom ROM. Click on the settings here. Now we will check the about of this custom ROM. Click on about phone. Now you can see here Android version. The Pixel Blaster version is 3.0 and the Android version here is 11, and the Android security patch level here is 5th of September 2021, and the kernel version is Perf Plus kernel. Now guys, we will check the another settings of this custom ROM. As you can see here, the network internet connected devices display explosives as you have seen in another custom ROMs. Now guys, we will check the explosives here. The first option here is themes. Click on the themes. You can see here dark themes, clock style. In dark themes you can turn the dark theme on, and in clock styles you can change the style of the clocks. Here are different types of clock styles. You can choose by your own choice. Now the another setting here is theme overlays. You can change the icon shape here. If I will click on mellow, you can see here the icon shape is changed into mellow. Settings homepage cards, you can also change the setting homepage cards here. Transparent, no cards, no icons. Here the setting is setting dashboard icon. You can also change this into OSP or Oxygen OS 11. Now the another setting here is volume panel style. You can also change the volume panel style. I will change into tiled. You can see here. If I will set another MIUI, you can see here. There are different types of volume panel style. You can choose by your own choice. Now the another setting here is custom header. You can also customize the custom header here. By header provider, by header image collections, browse installed headers. Now guys, another setting here is QSTL style. You can also change the QSTL style here. You can also set ink, cookies, circle outline, and etc. Now the another option here is wallpaper based accents. If you turn this on, then the colors will set automatically based on the wallpapers. Accent generation algorithm. You can also set the accent picker here. Now guys, this was all about the themes. Now we will check the stats bar. You can also customize the stats bar here. Like you can set old mobile type icons, 4G, VoLTE icons, set VoLTE icons, WoW Wi-Fi icon style, roaming indicator, etc. And you can also set here the network traffic monitor. Now guys, the another setting here is quick settings. You can also change the settings of media player. You can also set artwork media background. You can also set QoS clock. You can also change the brightness slider icon. You can also set here the brightness slider at bottom and also auto brightness in QoS style. You can also change the brightness slider, like you can also set it Android 11. Now guys, you can also change it into RUI. You can see. Now the another option here is clear all icons. You can also set into cross, default, or double OS. Now guys, another option here is buttons. You can also press volume keys to wake your device. The another option here is notifications. In notifications you can also set ticker here, notification ticker or notification or music ticker. You can also set ticker animation style. Now guys, in lock screen you can see these options: double tap to sleep on lock screen, double tap to sleep on stats bar, media art, always on when charging, AOD icons on lock screen, show edge lighting on new notifications. You can also set here edge lighting. Now guys, another option here is miscellaneous. In miscellaneous you can see here allow signature spoofing, adaptive playback, show volume app here. You can also set the pulse here. In pulse you can see navigation bar pulse, lock screen pulse, ambient pulse, or render mode, turn on smoothing. So guys, you can also turn the navigation bar pulse in lock screen, in ambient pulse, or in navigation bar pulse. And also guys, you can see here the gaming mode. You can also turn this gaming mode on when you will play game. Now guys, another option here is FOD customizations. In FOD customizations, fingerprint preset color, you can change here green, yellow, or white, or cyan. Now the another option here is FOD recognition animation. You can also set the animation here. There are different animations you can choose by your own choice. So guys, this was all about the customizations of this custom ROM. In display, you can see here also you can change the display size or font size. And in battery, you can see here there is no smart charging option available here. You can also turn the battery percentage on or off. Now in security, you can see here there is fingerprint option, face lock option, and app locker option is available also here. And guys, now ZenBuds is not available in this custom ROM. And in system, you can see here the reset option is available here, and multiple users is available here, and backup is available here, and stats bar tuner. Now guys, if we will talk about the performance of this custom ROM, it is obvious this custom ROM is pixel based custom ROM, and there is no lot of bloatware in this custom ROM, and you can feel here the performance is very good, and there are no much more lags in this custom ROM. And I have also not seen any bug in this custom ROM. If I will see any bug in this custom ROM, I will pin in our Telegram group. So guys, if we will talk about the Google camera, the Google camera is perfectly working in this custom ROM. You can see here. You can see here. If I will turn the HDR plus mode on, see here the HDR processing is successfully done. So guys, you can use this custom ROM for gaming because the performance is very good, and the battery backup is also good because this ROM is pixel based custom ROM. I hope guys you like this video. Please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.